Most office chairs under $250 look ergonomic, but start hurting your back within a few weeks. The TRALT promises breathable mesh, adjustable lumbar support, and even an SGS-certified Level 3 gas lift, all for $140. On paper, that sounds like serious value. But does it actually hold up long-term, or is this just another budget chair that looks better than it feels? Here's what you need to know before buying. Starting with comfort, the mesh back keeps airflow moving so you don't overheat. There's adjustable lumbar support for your lower back, plus a high elastic sponge seat cushion that's firm, but still comfortable for long sessions. For adjustments, you've got height control, tilt, flip-up armrests, and a 360 degrees swivel with smooth wheels. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features. It supports up to 330 pounds, and sizing-wise, it's designed to comfortably fit people from about 5'4" to 6'2", which should cover most users. Setup is simple. Most people can build it in about 15 to 30 minutes, instructions are clear, and you don't need special tools. Nothing frustrating here. So what's it actually like to sit in? Most users say it's comfortable for long hours, especially because of the breathable back and lumbar support. It's easy to move around, the wheels are smooth, and overall it feels practical for daily work or gaming. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more honest, engaging product reviews. That said, comfort is always personal. Some people find the seat cushion or armrests just okay, not amazing, and the lumbar or head support might not fit every body type perfectly. Build-wise, it's standard mid-range materials, mesh back, sponge seat, and a sturdy 5-point metal base. It also uses an SGS-certified Level 3 gas lift cylinder, which is nice because that's the part handling height adjustment. The certification basically means it's been tested for safety and durability, so it adds some peace of mind. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. Durability feedback is mixed though. For home use, it's solid. But parts like the armrests or mesh don't feel premium or heavy-duty. Now let's talk price. Right now on Amazon in the US, it's going for $140. At that price, it honestly feels pretty competitive. You're getting solid ergonomics, good airflow with the mesh back, decent adjustability, and a sturdy frame, all for $140. You're not paying premium chair money, but you're also not stuck with one of those cheap, uncomfortable budget chairs either. It kind of sits right in that sweet spot between affordability and comfort. Overall, the TRALT is a solid mid-range ergonomic chair. It's comfortable, adjustable, easy to set up, and reasonably priced. Not perfect, not premium, but a good everyday option for a home office. If you want something affordable that gets the job done, it's definitely worth considering. To benefit from an exclusive discount, click on the link in the description and get this product at the best price.